Tamil Nadu has emerged as one of the key beneficiaries of the Union Budget 26 to 27, with major announcements aimed at boosting infrastructure, industry, and tourism. Let's take a quick look at what this means for the state. One of the biggest highlights is the push for high-speed rail connectivity, with Chennai set to be part of new rail corridors. This is expected to significantly improve travel time, strengthen logistics networks, and enhance trade opportunities. Better connectivity can also attract more investments and support economic growth across the region. Another major announcement is the development of a rare earth mineral corridor that includes Tamil Nadu. This initiative is important because rare earth minerals are essential for clean energy technologies, electronics, and advanced manufacturing. The project could create skilled jobs and position the state as a key player in future industries. Tourism also gets a pass with eco-tourism initiatives focusing on destinations like Podigai Hills and Pulikat Lake. These projects aim to promote tourism while supporting local communities and preserving biodiversity. In addition, the broader national focus on infrastructure, MSME growth, and manufacturing is expected to benefit Tamil Nadu, which is already one of India's leading industrial hubs. Increased investment and improved infrastructure can accelerate growth not just in Chennai but also in emerging cities across the state. Overall, Budget 26 to 27 positions Tamil Nadu for stronger economic momentum through better connectivity, new industrial opportunities, and sustainable tourism development. If implemented effectively, these initiatives could drive job creation, attract investment, and support long-term growth of the state.
இது போன்ற தகவல்களை அறிய இணைந்திருங்கள் புதியுகத்துடன்.